let you go.
But you said what? He's trying to let me go?
Yeah,
My boy, Garina PD, Garina PD, FBI, CIA, DOJ, ICPC, FCC are throwing me on social media. I don't have time for police, bro. I'm not an entertainment. I'm not an entertainer. You said what? No, you are threatening me, bro. I was pulling out. You saw me, started threatening me. What degrees you got? You said what? What property? How did you buy that? What degree you have in America? You launder money for scammers. You rape kids. You sell alcohol without license. You sell alcohol without license. Your wife. I fucked your wife. She got me money.
You ate their money when you were selling BlackBerry.
Yeah.
And laptops.
Yeah.
You ate people's money.
Yes.
At the computer village. You know that.
Okay.
That's people that made you who you are.
So I'm a madman. Let me ask you first, secretary. Listen, I love you. Let me ask you first, secretary question. If you can answer that question, I will give you my AMG.
You know people who made you how you are today.
Listen, hold on. What is very much in this?
In front of me, you took my brother's money. You ate my brother's money, $240.
Who?
You sold
Noble.
TSC.
Noble.
THC.
Yeah.
Android.
Yeah. Noble, right? Noble. What year was that? 2013.
2013.
Okay, I saw you, and what happened?
It was CDMA.
Okay.
And you refused to give him money.
So
the blind man from Newi.
You said what?
Mr. Koronko, the blind man from Newi.
Why you could the one that surprised you poisonous food?
You sold
I love that confession.
No, I know you stopped recording. You're not gonna record this.
No, go ahead.
That man,
I saw the phone, and what happened?
It wasn't a good phone.
Okay, why didn't he call the police? Why didn't he call the police?
iCloud phone, you took $800.
No, you're a bitch. Listen, let me help you. And 160 terabyte classified. I saw one Chuku brand new phone at Minaco. I saw one Chuku brand new phone at Minaco. I saw one Chuku phone brand new 16 Pro Max at Minaco with his white prostitute.
2014, you sold to my brother.
You said what?
HTC1.
What year?
2014.
Yes?
Yes.
Why didn't he call police?
For CDMA.
Why didn't he call police?
But we are threatening him with immigration. That's what you did.
I threatened with immigration?
Yes.
As eyes on what? As eyes on what?
That's why you can never get better. I'm telling you.
Peter, you launder money for terrorists, true or false?
The bad things you did to Nigerians here in California.
Yeah.
Outside the one you did to them in Computer Village.
Yes.
That you ate their money.
Are you richer than me?
I don't say.
Are you more educated than me?
You ate people's money.
Are you more influential than me?
That's why you hear.
You rape kids, yes or no?
I don't want to know that.
I'm not a scammer, I'm a G-boy. I'm not a scammer. You said what? You said what? If I take you to court, you cannot speak English. Peter.
I'm telling you
Peter, I have cars of more than $2 million at Nigerian State. I have cars of more than $2 million at Nigerian Estate. Do you understand? Have you heard of TJ record? Have you heard of TJ record?
My brother's money in front of me.
You raped kids.
$240.
I did not.
2014. You sold him a phone that is CDMA.
This is
America.
America.
Told him that it was unlocked.
This is America.
Mr. Watukwe, blind
man.
No,
he wanted to use it for fraud. That's why I lock it.
Completely blind man. You get $800.
He married a fraud. Why should you surprise you?
I hope you record it.
Why should whose food killed Shadrach and killed my brother? Your food killed my brother.
I believe you recording it.
Are you a baby? Are you a baby?
This is why you are mad up to today. You can never get better.
What is psychiatry? What is influence sustainer? Do you fight taxes? You launder money, two of us.
I told you already the reason why you're here.
Fuck your mama on New Black Movement.
That's the reason why you're here.
Fuck your mama. Nigga, I'ma take you home. Because you're money. You launder money.
Get out there.
You rape kids. Motherfucker. Move it, you. Obete. Motherfucking Obete. Stupid ass Obete. You rape kids with two Zomatimoti and with two of us. You launder money with two Zomatimoti and with two of us. Look at the boy. Look at the boy that give morale. That's the motherfucking Timothy Anyanwu that made me go to jail. Ate my money with LUKJ. Landed people in jail. This is the guy that will orchestrate all the scam and fraud in America. And this is a licensed therapist. He will leave the wife fucking prostitutes over here, fucking prostitute in Imo. I thought you said you're a Vicky. Who's the Timothy Anyanwu? Are you not a Viking again? Are you not a Vicky again? Who's the Timothy Anyanwu? Hurry up and get your gun. You say what? No, let this scammer.
If you got this This lie.
When you know Munsom Piagi MBM.
No, I'm serious.
If your skin touch me,
property,
you know the land hospital before you dissolve. That's the rapist and the scammer. Fuck you, fuck your papa.
Gardena police have told you.
Fuck you, fuck Gardena police. Your case is with ICPC, your case is with FBI, your case is with CIA. This is Uzoma Timothy Anyanwu that made Charles to die. He did medical fraud with Charles and told Charles to run away. This is Uzoma Timothy Anyanwu that did medical fraud with Charles and told Charles and Neta to run to Nigeria. Are you a scammer or not? Are you a scammer or not? I know you're a hotter police spy. That's why when you rape kids, sell drugs, I have videos of you buying stolen goods here. Uzoma Timothy Anyanwu, I have classified video of you taking off a tag from the guy that stole goods from Macy's. I captured a video of you buying a video of card. You say you sponsor Boko Haram through Obiti and the Babachi Joke and the Obidi. And you said you killed 700 years in Nigeria. You understand? I was speaking to your wife. And why covering your face? I told your wife Adeze that she can't be a nurse practitioner and married to a scammer. Why did you start losing weight since I arrested your boys? Kinsley, an FBI indicted, Kinsley Zudora was calling from jail, crying, saying you are the person that orchestrated the scam. I mean, everybody knows you're a scammer. Tim, you can defraud CIA and the FBI, but I will land you in jail, my nigga. When I'm done doing documentary on you, I will subpoena you to court. Because you're a licensed therapist, prescribing narcotics, raping your patients, laundering money with Don Prior Fidelis Luku, lied to Nigeria. Kesi Uzo, in jail in Nigeria. Papua, Palata, Kinsilodo will go in too. Kinsilodo will go in. America knows you're a scammer. You said you're a Vicky man. Fall outside. You said you're a motherfucker. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fucking Vicky. Are you not a Viking? Fall outside. Fall outside. Fall outside. OBT Viking. 1 a year is equivalent to 100. 1 a year. Only me. Pass the whole Vicky for America. You know, right? Are you not a Vicky? Why are you running? Come outside. I thought you're a cultist. You're a cultist, I'm a cultist. Come outside. Let's check it out, bro. You're a cultist, I'm a cultist. Come outside, nigga. New black woman versus Vicky, bro. You be Vicky, share? I called on size and say you obey it. I called Nigeria and said you obey it, nigga. You aren't shit. My cousin Okez did a head 2-2 for Absu. He said, no, you. What you are is a rapist, scammer, money launderer, enabling stolen goods. You leave your wife sleep with prostitute. You understand? Take off, come out here, who can go. You know, I respect you. I swear be who I am. You know, come out here. You say you be Vicky, come, make we fight, bro. You be Vicky, Abi? Scammer. Uzoma Timothy and one MBM. You told me that my sister Florence, that you infested her with HIV with a needle and Martin Luther King. The case here will escalate on you. You won't go to jail. You won't go to court before you land in jail. You say what? You say what?
I didn't know your sister had HIV.
No, you said you gave it to her at Martin Luther King. How did I know you work with her? And you said you will kill Chris, my brother. True or false? You and your brother, Bobby Anyang, are scammers. True or false? I thought you're a street boy. You're running away. Motherfucking imbecile. This is my city. Yes, no. You know, right? This is my city. You know, you don't know? Motherfucker. Stupid ass, imbecilic, dwarf, nicompus, fucking Vicky. You the phone Vicky, baby. You know, be anything. When them forget be coming out on Piagi new black movement. If you don't know, your case have to go global. Yeah, it's not like 2018 you called me begging me to turn down your video. Your case have to go government case, and I know you know you're a criminal. But after my documentary, Piagi, I hear this more cocoa. Let me the head new black movement. You know, you don't know. You know, right? You are very smart. Bro, so about entertainment. You know I like you. Coordinate yourself. Motherfucker. Your wife Adeze working hard in the hospital to feed the kids. You will say you have convention. Go to Nigeria, infesting them with HIV. You go to Nigeria raping kids, telling them you will marry them and bring them to America. in the name of Umbise? Who you be? How do you file your taxes? Can you reconcile the money you spend in Nigeria with the scammers that run away with what you make? As a licensed therapist, you don't make more than $80,000 a year. And you are driving a Range Rover. But why did you change the Range Rover? Why did you change your SIM card? Why did you change your SIM card? You know you're a scammer, right? I will do the investigation is ongoing already. I told your wife to go get a husband who is faithful. Because what you are is a viral scammer. Terrorist. I'm talking about scammer. You can laugh all you can, nigga. That's your brother right there. That you paid to give me long medication at College Medical. Your case is 160 terabytes. And we escalated that case to Freemason, Illuminati, New Black Movement, ICPC, FBI, CIA. If you never heard about Angel, that means you are in ICU. And I know you know this is not entertainment. I do know you know this is not entertainment. You understand? On 7/7, you got to go. Make you family okay. A man and a boy. P2OB family. P2OB family, they beg. P2OB family. P2OB family, they beg me, Biko. AJ did what? P2OB family now, young Biko. You understand? Governor P2OB family, they beg Biko. You understand or you don't? You are very wise. Obi in jail. If Obi come out here, he will give you prostitute, kick his sister. You pay her and fuck her without condom. And Obi will take your money. I'm not Obi. Now we be church of Scientology. Can I help you, sir?
What is the problem?
The problem is on YouTube. Don't bother me. This is not your business. When I try to talk to you, say you're busy. You go stay in your business. If you have a situation, call 911, nigga. This is not entertainment. Nigga, see ya. Now maybe I just see more cocoa. Do you understand what it means? You don't, right? Later you will understand, maybe. That's your brother that gave me wrong medication. I've called College Medical Hospital and Board of Nursing. That's the one that gave me wrong medication. 2018 at College Medical. I mean, he's not denying it. Let me go talk to Black Sam towards my project. I will come back. I closed down Barber Shop. I closed down Jerry. I closed down Gossin. So you know, we are not entertainers. My brother Tijo is entertainer. Me, I'm not. You understand? People think I forget the camera. You got me and I piagi papi alobi. The man number more in America. The thing I forget the camera. You got me and I piagi papi alobi.
So you're threatening to shoot me?
You say what?
You're threatening to shoot me?
Well, last time you said they have a gun. I'm smarter than you.
Threatening to shoot me?
160 terabytes. I know you're a hot on spy. Me and CIA spy. You get that? You get that? You get that? Motherfucking lefra. You understand? I go call Ambassador Somoke to make him begin lock your house for Nigeria. Because you're nothing but a scammer, nigga. And I know you know. And you know I can process your phone. You know, right? Thank you for that. Thank you. You think it's entertainment? You go in with your boys, nigga. You go in, nigga. My city, nigga.